Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we are going to talk about Umamusume, Pretty Derby Error Code 100. The error appears when players attempt to finish a career run. As per our research, the error is the result of a game bug. However, according to the developers, the issue has already been fixed. Now let's talk about the troubleshooting steps you can try. The first thing we suggest is to restart your device and try again. Once the device restarts, open the game and check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, check if you need to update the game. If there is any pending update, install it and see if this helps with the error. At last, if you still get the error, then wait for some time, as this could be a temporary issue from the server side. If the error still doesn't resolve, then contact the game support and report the issue. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.